Hello everyone, welcome to Source Code. In this video, I will show you how to make Flip sign in and sign up form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript only. So let's start the video. So before going to the coding part, let me show you how this page works. As you can see in the left part, we are having an sign in form from where you can sign in using your detail. Now coming to the right side, you can see that we have an option of sign up. So when you click on this, it opens into a create account form from where you can create your account. And again, you can click on the sign in button and it get open into a sign in form from where you can get sign in. So now come to the coding part. Make one div with a class name container. Coming inside this, make one div again with the class name card. Now inside this, make one div again with the name face. Just copy this one. So this one is going to have a card front and this one is going to be our card back. So just copy this one again. Add one class here, that is card left, and one here, that is right. So coming in card front, add one more div here, that is sign in form. Now inside this, make one form. So add one action here. So just copy this one. So now coming to card right, in the face card back, paste it here. And this is going to be our sign up form. Now come again up. So in this one, make one div here with a name panel. Just copy this one and paste it card front. So we are all set now. So now we are going to set the dimension for each of them. Come to the CSS part. So first of all, we will define the dimension for the body. So I am taking the margin to 0, padding also 0. Now we need to set the font family here. So for the font family, I have taken default font, and for the perspective, I have added 1000 pixel because it is going to give you a 3D position. Now we need to set the background here. So I am going to use one image. Now we need to set the background size. So make it cover so that it cover whole the screen. Now we are going to design the container. So make the width as 640 pixel. Take the height to 480 pixel. Now we need to give a margin here. So I am taking 5% auto so that it come in the middle. Now give a border radius here. For the border radius, we require to give 0 and 30 pixel. And make the display as flex. Now we are going to design the card. For the card, we need to set the position to relative. Make the width as 50% because they are going to occupy 50% of container. Make the height to 100%. Now we need to give a transition here. So for the transition, I am taking transform for 500 ms. Easy in out. Now we need to give a transform style. So I am giving preserve 3D for having a 3D effect. So now we are going to design panel, face and form all together. So make the display as flex. Click the flex direction to column. Make the justify content to center and align item to center. Now copy this one again. So first of all, make the width as 100%. Height also 100%. Now we need to give a border radius here. So now we are going to design the back part of the face. So take the position to absolute. Now we need to give a background here. Now make the text align to center. Back face visibility to hidden. Now make it as a comment one because first of all, we are going to design the front part, so it will not be visible. So we need to give a comment here. Now come to the container part again. So here we need to give a background here. So I'm taking a white one. Now let me show you the result how it comes. So here we have got the container. So now we are going to design the sign in form. So this is the sign in form. So now we are going to design our heading first, that is the sign in. So come to the HTML, make one h2 tag. Now let me show you how it looks. So now we are going to design this one. So come to the CSS part. So first of all we need to set the font family. Make the font weight to bold. Now we need to set the font size here. So I am taking 1.7 em. Now we need to give a color here. And make the text align to center. Now let me show you the result once again. So this is the result. So now we are going to design this for social media part. So come to the HTML part again. Make one tip, the class name social container. Inside this, make one anchor tag. Just copy this one. So just copy this one again. So this one is going to be for the Google. This is our LinkedIn. And this is for the Twitter. Now let me show the result. So here we have got all the four. So now we are going to design each of them. Just copy this one. Come to the CSS part. So first of all make the display as flex. Flex direction to row. Make the justify content to center. And make the align item to center. So now we are going to design the anchor tag inside the social container. So first of all make the width as 25 pixel, height also 25 pixel. Now we need to give a margin here. So take it as 5 pixel and make the padding to 10 pixel. After that we need to give a color. Now give a background here. Now we need to give a border radius. So I am giving 25 pixels so that it look a circle one. Now make the display as flex and justify content to center. Now one more thing, that is a line item, make it also to center. And now we are going to give a transition here. So first we will give the border here. Second for the background. And the last for the color. Now we are going to give a hover effect for each of them. So first of all make border color here. Now we need to give a background and give the color here. Is I am taking white smoke. Now for the anchor tag make the text decoration as none. Now we need to give a color here. Now we need to add a transition. So for the transition we will take color only. Now let me show you the output how it is coming. So as you can see that we have got all the 4 and when I take a mouse on each of them, show a hover. So now we are going to design this part, that is it is having 2 lines and in between this we have written one or. So come to the HTML part. Make one class here, that is line. Make one span and write or. Now copy this one. Now come to the CSS part. So first of all, we will set the line height here. So I'm taking 0.5. Make the text align to center. Now we will set the dimension and design for span. So set the display as inline block and make the position to relative. So now we are going to use pseudo element. So make the content to null. Make the position to absolute. Now give a height here 5 pixel. Now define the border top. Now we need to give a border bottom. And make the top to 0 and give the width as 100 pixel. Now come again. So now we are going to make two elements separately. So make the right here 200%. Now set the margin right. So I am taking 15 pixel. Just copy this one. Make it after. So this one is going to be left. And this one is margin left. Now let me show you the output. So here is our results as we have got this one. So now we are going to set this one, that is use your register account. So come to the HTML part. Make one span here. Give a class as form span. Now copy this one. Come to the CSS part. Now first of all set the font size here. And give a margin here. So I'm taking 5 pixel. Now let me show the result. So here we have got this one. So now we are going to design this email and password part. So come to the HTML part again. Make one input. So enter type, write email and remove this name and make placeholder. Copy this one. This is going to be our password. Now come to the style part. So first of all make the display as a block. Give a margin here. So for the margin I am taking 6 pixel. Now we need to give a padding here. So for the padding I am taking 8 pixel and 10 pixel. Now give the width here. So for the width I am taking 110%. Now we need to give a background here. Now make a border here. Now we need to give a border radius. So I am taking 6 pixel. Now we need to add a transition here for the border. So now we are going to add a hover effect. So first of all make the outline here to none and give a border here. I am taking 1.5 pixel solid color. Just copy this one again. Now make it active. Now remove this two. So first of all, set the letter spacing here. So I'm taking 0.02 em and give a color here. Now let me show you how it is coming. So as you can see that when I take the mouse on each of them, it shows a hover effect. So now we are going to design this one, that is forget your password. So come to the HTML part again. So make one span here. Give a class as forgot. Copy this one and paste it here. So right here, forgot your password. Copy this one. So now we are going to design this one. So come to the CSS part. So give a margin here. So I am giving a margin of 8 pixel. Now let me show you how it comes. So here we have got this one. So now we are going to design this button part. So come to the HTML part again. Make one class here, that is form button. Now copy this one. Come to the CSS part. Now we need to give a color here. So now we are going to design the button. So first of all, make the cursor to pointer. Set the width as 140 pixel. Give a padding here to 10 pixel. Now set the margin to 5 pixel. Now we need to give a color here. Now give a background here. So now we require to give a border here. Now set the font family here. Now give a letter spacing here. So for the letter spacing, I'm taking 0.02 em. Now make the text transform to uppercase. Now we need to add a transition here. So first of all, we are going to add a transition for the color. Next for the background. So now we are going to add a hover effect. So make the outline to none. Copy this one. Make it as active. So here you need to give a background. Now give a color here. So I am taking white smoke. We are all set now. Let me show you how it comes. So as it is coming properly, but we need to give a border radius. For the border radius, I am taking 25 pixel. Now let me show you once again. So here we have got the sign-in form totally. So now we are going to design this right part. So in the right part, as you can see that we are having one blue panel here. So first of all, we will design the blue panel, and inside this we will put this information. So come to the HTML. Now come to the card right front part inside this one. So make one h2 tag here. Make one span here and give a class as panel span. So here we will put our message. So we need to define one button here. So we are all set now. So now come to the CSS part. So first of all, we will design our panel. So here make the color as white smoke. Now we need to give a background here and give a little spacing here as 0.03 em. Now we are going to design panel span. So give a margin here as 5 pixel and 25 pixel. Now we need to set the font size here. So I am taking 50 pixel. Now give a text align to center. So now we are going to design the panel button. So first of all, we set the margin top here. So I am taking 20 pixel. Now we need to give a background here. Now we need to give a border here. So I am taking 1 pixel solid white smoke. Now come down. Now design the H2 tag here. So first of all, set the font family here. Now we need to define the font weight. So I am taking bold. Now give the font size here, that is 1.7 em, and define the color. So we are all set now. Let me show the result. So as you can see that we have got our front face. So now we are going to design the back part. So come to the style part again. So coming to the style part, remove this one. Now let me show the result once again. So as you can see that we have got our back part. So now we are going to design this one. So this is our back part of the card. So as you can see that in the panel part we have one message here for sign in with a sign in button, and in the right part we are having create account option. So now come to the HTML part. So what you need to do is just copy this one and paste it here. So make it as welcome and change the message also. Now make it as sign in. Now let me show the result how it comes. So here is our result. So now we are going to design the right part. So what you need to do is just copy this one, that is a sign in form, and paste it in sign up form. So just change the heading. Now come down, now change this one also. So here we need to add one more, that is a username. So just copy this one and remove this one because we don't require it. Now let me show the result. So before that, change this one also, make it as sign up. So here is our final result of a back part. As you can see that when I take the mouse on each of them, it's show a hover effect. So now we are going to add some effect to this button. So come to the style part again. So we need to define a transform here. So I am taking a transform as scale 0.95. Now let me show the result. So if I click here, it show effect sum. As you can see that it show that it is really look like a button. So now we are going to add the flip option. So come to the CSS part. So we are going to take card back, add a transform here. So I am giving a transform as rotate Y 180 degree. Copy this one and make it as flip. So we are all set now. Now come to the script part. So take one variable left, so if you see that here I have defined one left here. So this left is basically this one left class that we have taken. So just copy this one. This one is going to our right, and this is a card right here. Now make it as sign up. Now copy this one. make it as sign in. So if you see here the card front part, so when I click on this sign up button, it should add the flip option. So come to the flip part again. So we are all set now with the variable. So now we are going to add the function. So first we will take the sign up. So we are going to add click function. So first we will take the left one. Just copy this one. And in place of left, make it as right. Now copy the whole again. Make it as sign in. And in place of add, make it as remove. So let me show the result how it comes. So as you can see that when I click on this button, it rotates by 180 degree. So as you can see that when I click on this sign up button, it get open to a create account option. And when I click on this sign in button, it get open into a sign in option. So this is all about how to make a flip sign in sign up form. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the video related to programming and tech tutorial. Thank you.